Do you have a child with autism who is nonverbal? Maybe you can help. Having a nonverbal child is so difficult because it's so hard to communicate with them. If everyone understands that. So if you want to find ways to communicate with them, try learning sign language. Sign language is a language people use to communicate with their hands. Obviously, learning a language can be difficult and painful at first, but once you get the hang of it, it can be really useful. Don't treat them any differently. They are children who deserve to be treated with respect. Yes, they have something that makes life more difficult for them, but they're still human. So don't treat them like a helpless child that needs to be coddled and needs to be put in a special ed class. Treat all children with respect. Some people and teachers might want to put them in a different class, like a separate but equal mentality. But don't fall for it. All children deserve to be treated as equals. If you want to know more, follow my blog, I Autism Mind. Links in bio. I write all kinds of cool stuff.